guys. So we had that VW Golf R just in, Toby's. It's got about 420 horsepower or something, and he had an intermittent misfire. And we found it, showing misfire codes all over the shop, and it still had the original plugs at about 38,000, even though it had a map. So there we are. Look at the state of that number 4 plug. Ceramic on the inside's completely gone. It was popping and banging all over the place. That's what it sort of should look like. But we put some nice fresh new NGK ones in there, went for a road test, and all's good. Back to its original glory. Right, catch you later.